สวัสดีครับ Welcome to Thailand Expat Language School. Here is your very first lesson in learning Thai. I'm Kru Alan, and today we are going to start with the basics to help you learn Thai from day one. Whether you are traveling to Thailand, planning to live here, or just want to learn a new language, you are in the right place. Let's get started. And the best place to start when learning a new language is greeting. In Thai, we say สวัสดี for both hello and goodbye. To be polite, men add ครับ and women add ค่ะ Let's try it together. For men, we say สวัสดีครับ and for women สวัสดีค่ะ All right, great, easy, right? Now use this phrase anytime you meet someone. Next up is something essential in Thai culture, politeness. We've already touched on it a bit with krap and ka. Thai people often add this polite particle at the end of the sentences to show respect. Men say krap and women say ka. All right. And now try saying your name in Thai. I'll go first. สวัสดีครับ ผมชื่ออลันครับ All right. If you are if you are female, you say ฉันชื่อ and following by your name ฉันชื่อค่ะ alright and for male ผมชื่อนะครับ for example ผมชื่ออลันครับ it's that simple. Keep practicing this whenever you meet someone. All right, let's move on to a few key phrases that will make your first day in Thailand super smooth. Here are three phrases you will want to know from day one. ขอโทษ which means excuse me or sorry. ขอบคุณ mean thank you. ไม่เป็นไรนะครับไม่เป็นไร it's okay or never mind นะครับ These are lifesaver. Imagine you are in a busy market and you accidentally bump into someone. ขอโทษนะครับ you say ขอโทษ which means sorry. And someone does something kind for you, you say ขอบคุณนะครับ which means thank you. ขอบคุณ And if someone apologize to you, you can simply reply ไม่เป็นไรนะครับไม่เป็นไร it can be no problem ครับ or it's okay นะครับ Finally, here are a few tips to make learning Thai easier. Practice daily. Spend a few minutes each day speaking or listening to Thai. Consistency is key. And learn from real conversation. Watch Thai show or listen to Thai songs. It's fun and help you pick up the language naturally. And last, don't stress about tones at first. All right? Thai is a tonal language, but don't worry too much in the beginning. You have to focus on understanding the word, and the tones will come with time. Remember, learning a language is like building a house brick by brick, and today you've laid a foundation. And that's it for your first day of learning Thai. How did you do? Practice these phrases, and in no time you will feel more confident. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun lessons. ขอบคุณครับ